Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us solve the cubic equations using synthetic division method. We take the cubic equation as P of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here P of x means polynomial in terms of x. Now we have the results. If P of 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 is a root. That means if we put x is equal to 1 here and if we get the answer 0, then x is equal to 1 is a root. Similarly, P of minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1 is a root. And also if we put x is equal to 2 and if the answer is 0, then x is equal to 2 is a root. And also P of minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2 is a root. To find the first root, we use this trial and error method. After that, we get a quadratic equation, and solving the quadratic equation, we can get 2 more roots. So totally we must get 3 roots. Now let us solve the problem. Solve the equation x cube minus 3x square minus 33x plus 35 equal to 0. Let P of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 33x plus 35. First we start with 1, that is P of 1. P of 1 means put x is equal to 1. So here 1 cube is 1 and 1 square 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Here also if we put x equal to 1, 1 into minus 33 minus 33 plus 35. So put x is equal to 1, that means take and write all the coefficients, that is 1 minus 3 minus 33 plus 35. Here 1 plus 35, 36. And adding the negative numbers, minus 3 minus 33 minus 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0. We get P of 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is a root. Now dividing the given polynomial, that is P of x by x minus 1. We use synthetic division method. So dividing by x minus 1, that is x is equal to 1. So we take 1 here and take all the coefficients. See the question. We have the coefficients 1, minus 3, minus 33, 35. We start with 0. Now adding this 1 plus 0, 1. Now multiply this 1 into 1, 1. Now adding this minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. And now multiply this minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Now adding this minus 33 minus 2 minus 35. And now multiply minus 35 into this 1, that is minus 35. And finally adding this we get 0. So this 0 is the remainder. Since 1 is a root, so definitely we must get the remainder 0. And therefore the other factor is this last number constant, and this term is x term and this term is x square term. So when we write the factor, we have to write like this: 1x square minus 2x minus 35. For this we can find the factor. The product is minus 35 and the sum is minus 2. So the two numbers are minus 7 plus 5. So we get the factors x minus 7 into x plus 5. This implies x is equal to plus 7 and x is equal to minus 5. And now we have got 2 more roots. Initially we have one root, So totally 3 roots. So finally take and write all the 3 roots. First root 1, and after solving the quadratic factor we have got the root 7 minus 5. So the roots are 1, 7 minus 5. We can check the answer. For that we have to take the product of the roots. Multiply this 1 into 7, 7. 7 into minus 5, minus 35. Using the formula, this product is minus d by a. That is minus last number divided by first number. That is minus 35 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 35. So check the product. So the answer is correct. Similarly, let us solve the equation 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. Let p of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 10x minus 3. Now take p of 1, that is put x is equal to 1. So that means take and write all the coefficients. 2 minus 9 plus 10 minus 3. Here adding the positive numbers 2 plus 10, 12, and negative numbers minus 9 minus 3 minus 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 1 is a root. So dividing p of x by the factor x minus 1. So we take x is equal to 1, that is write 1 outside like this, and here take all the coefficients, that is 2 minus 9, 10 minus 3. Now we start with 0, adding this 2 plus 0, 2, and now multiply 2 into 1, 2. Now adding this minus 9 plus 2 minus 7, and then multiply minus 7 into 1 minus 7. Adding this 10 minus 7, 3, and finally multiply 3 into 1, 3. And adding this we get the remainder 0. And now we can write the other factor. This is 2x square minus 7x plus 3. And this we have to get the factors. Here the product is 2 into 3, 6. Sum minus 7. We get the two numbers. After that divide by the first number 2. And we take and write the factors like this. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 3. So from the first bracket, x is equal to minus 1 take right side plus 1 and 2 cross multiply, so we get 1 by 2. From the second bracket, x is equal to minus 3 take another side plus 3. So we get the roots 1 by 2 comma 3. In the starting itself we have the root x is equal to 1. So finally take and write all the 3 roots. So the roots are starting root 1, and finally we have got 1 by 2 comma 3. Next let us solve the equation 2x cube plus 11x square minus 9x minus 18 equal to 0. Let p of x equal to 2x cube plus 11x square minus 9x minus 18. First let us try p of 1. That is take all the coefficients 2 plus 11 minus 9 minus 18. Here 2 plus 11, 13. Minus 9 minus 18, minus 27. So we cannot get 0. So this is not equal to 0. Next we have to try p of minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Next term minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 into 11, 11. Next term, if you put x equal to minus 1 here, minus 1 into minus 9 plus 9. And last number minus 18. Here the positive numbers 11 plus 9, 20. And negative numbers minus 2, minus 18, minus 20. So 20 minus 20 equal to 0. If p of minus 1 equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus 1 is a root. So now dividing p of x by x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor and x is equal to minus 1 is a root. So dividing this, we have to write minus 1 outside like this and take and write all the coefficients, that is 2, 11, minus 9, minus 18. Now we have to divide this by synthetic division method. We follow the same procedure. We start with 0 here and adding this 2 plus 0, 2. Now multiply 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Adding this 11 minus 2 is 9. Multiply this 9 into minus 1, minus 9. Now adding this, we get minus 18 and then multiply minus 18 into minus 1, that is plus 18. And finally adding this, we get the remainder 0. Now we have the other factor 2x square plus 9x minus 18. Here the product is 2 into minus 18, that is minus 36, and the sum is 9. We have to find the two numbers. After that we have to divide by the first number 2. So we get the factors x plus 6 into 2x minus 3. This implies x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 3 by 2. And finally take and write all the three roots. In the starting we have minus 1 as a root and finally we have got minus 6 and 3 by 2. So these are the roots. We can check this answer. We can check the product multiplying all the roots. Minus 1 into minus 6 plus 6. 6 into 3 by 2. That is 18 by 2, which is equal to 9. So the product is 9. As per the formula, the product is minus d by a. That is minus of last number. Minus of minus plus 18 divided by first number 2. 18 by 2 is 9. So since the product is same, our answer is correct. Similarly, let us solve one more problem. Same like this. This is 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Let us take the polynomial as 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3. First let us try p of 1. Put x is equal to 1 here. Take and write all the coefficients, that is 8 minus 2 minus 7 plus 3. Here adding the positive numbers 8 plus 3, 11. Adding negative numbers minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. So this is not equal to 0. Next we have to try minus 1. So take p of minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 into 8, that is minus 8. Here minus 1 square is 1. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Next term minus 1 into minus 7 plus 7 and then plus 3. Now adding this, adding the positive numbers 7 plus 3, 10. Negative numbers minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, we get the answer 0. Since p of minus 1 is 0, x is equal to minus 1 is a root. Now we can divide the given polynomial by this root. So that is minus 1 right outside and take all the coefficients like this. Here the coefficients are 8, minus 2, minus 7, 3. We start with 0, adding this 8 plus 0, 8. And then multiply 8 into minus 1, minus 8. Now adding this minus 2, minus 8, minus 10. And then multiply minus 10 into minus 1, that is plus 10. Now adding this minus 7 plus 10 is 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Finally adding this 3 minus 3, 0. So this we take it as remainder. The remainder is 0. The remaining numbers we have to take it as a factor, that is 8x square minus 10x plus 3. Here the product is 8 into 3, 24. So product 24, sum minus 10. Find the two numbers and then divide by 8. We get the other factors, 2x minus 1 into 4x minus 3. So this implies from the first bracket x is equal to 1 by 2, and from the second bracket x is equal to 3 by 4. So these are the other two roots. Finally take and write all the three roots. The first root is minus 1. Next we have 1 by 2, 3 by 4. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.